Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Table.
What does the dictionary say?
An arrangement of words, numbers, or signs, or combinations of them, as in parallel columns, to exhibit a set of facts or relations in a definite, compact, and comprehensive form. A synopsis or scheme.
Math rap.
A table is not where you pull up to sit. It's information arranged with rows and columns in it. Could be numbers, could be descriptions, could keep track of all the things in your kitchens.
Math rap.
Why couldn't the chair hold the plates, cups, and forks? Because the chair wasn't table. What are your thoughts on tables? Where do you sit on the issue? Make a table with 5 rows and 3 columns in it. In the first column, write the names of 5 people in your class. In the second column, write their current ages, and in the third column, their current height. Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!